What it do, gang? Back with another video, man. If you just not tuned in to the channel for the first time, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn that bell on, that way you get notified every single time I drop one of these videos, man. So it's a little late right now. It's actually about, is those lights on? Hold on real quick. Yeah. But it's a little late right now, man. It's probably like 11:30. I'm about to go data log. The title of this video, y'all see, I'm actually data logging for real. Y'all see the GoPro on my head, man, because I'm gonna show y'all how I data log with the AUDI RS7 using the DS1. So it's cold outside, man. I'm gonna check my tire pressure, but I mean, it's called all-wheel drive, so I should be all right. But yeah, I gotta get some logs in, man. So first thing first, because I'm gonna go ahead and crank this car, man, because it's cold out here, bro. But I want y'all to get this cold start. I gotta put some air in this back right tire. That's why I got that little caution light right there, 'cause I gotta put some air in this back right tire. So I'm gonna put some air in there real quick, and then, but meanwhile, while I do that, let me show y'all how this DS1 operate real quick when it comes to data log. Hold on. Alright, so like I had said in the other video, man, all you gotta do is I'm gonna go right here to the DS1, click that, and I'm gonna connect to it. So alright, I'm now connected to the DS1 Wi-Fi. Alright, so man, what I'm, like I said right here, I'm just typing in the IP to the DS1. Just the IP to it, hold on. And it'll only work if you connected to it, so you got to connect to it first. So boom, as you can see right there, that the car is already flashed to the base tune that he sent me, right? So this is how you log. So once I go to gauges right there, right? It's showing that the car running, so you kind of see like everything. You see what map I'm on 93. And so now I just swipe over and keep swiping. See right there, I'm on my 93 map. So nobody won't say I'm on E85 or nothing like that. So I'm just, you know what I'm saying? You can do so much with this stuff, man, but this is real time right now. So this is real live logging right now that the car is doing. So it's idling right now, but I'm on my phone, y'all. Let me get out the light. As y'all can see, I'm on my phone. This is how I do everything on my car. So doing everything from my phone is hella convenient. So right now I'm just gonna show y'all how my data log. So this right here, you know what I'm saying, I'm just showing you everything right here, how I get to everything. But this right here, it shows you, like, you know what I'm saying, the load, the injector load, the duty cycles, the what throttle, like when if I hit the gas, like, well, I ain't gonna do it too loud, cause my neighbors right there, but I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all see what map I'm on. I'm on 93 right now. Now let's go to the log, see how everything is going right now. I hit the throttle. Alright, y'all see how everything. I'm on map, man. I'm on 93 like y'all saw. Right, but this is the data log table. So right now you can see how my car is currently idling, and this is the log that, you know what I'm saying, I'm currently doing right now. So if I want a data log, once I get on the highway, only thing I have to do is hit that button right there. It's the start button, and it'll start logging, right? So I'm gonna turn the GoPro on. I'm gonna get on the highway. I'm just well, the car's already warm. It's already up to temp. But I'm about to get on the highway, man, and make sure the Mexican police is not there. And if they not, then, you know what I'm saying, let me stop that. Let me reset it. And then I'm gonna start logging. So once I get that going, man, let me turn it down so y'all can see. Once I get on the highway to Mexico, and, you know what I'm saying, I make sure the Mexico police is not out, whatever, I'm gonna turn the GoPro on, and I'm gonna do some real life logging for y'all, so y'all can see what how I react, you know what I'm saying, or how I data log, all that good stuff, man. So, all right, man, let's get it. Hey, real quick, man, I want to show y'all the difference of sound this car makes. So, like, right now you can't even hear it. I'm gonna crack the window a little bit, but Hold on. Like I'm driving, right? You can barely hear the car. It's in regular drive mode, right? But I'm gonna open my exhaust valves and put it in sport mode and listen to the difference. Y'all hear them popcorn, man. Alright, that's all I want to show y'all. Damn it, boy. Man, what's crazy, dog? I just did a log, man. I'm talking about I just did a log. And the doggone state trooper just flew past me, bro. I don't know if, I don't know, well, nah, they was cruising, but he passed me, probably, I was doing like 70. And he passed me, bro, so, like, he couldn't have been off the exit, though, because I was, what is he doing? Oh, he getting off the exit, I'm getting off on. Because I was finna loop back around, bro. But I seen him in my rearview mirror coming over the hill. Well, I seen a car coming over the hill, but I didn't know who he was, so evidently, he had to, been coming from the other direction. But he finna go sit up on the hill now, but man, dang, I'm trying to loop back around, man, and let me see where he going, though, because I got to finish logging, bro. Man, make sure I'm going. I need logging now. Hold on, y'all. That was a pretty good log right there, boy. Alright, we logging now. But yeah, man, so I just did 2 data logs, and man, the car felt great. Like, I mean, the car felt good, man. I'm just trying to make sure this ain't who I think it is behind me, but no, that cool, man. But yeah, man, the car felt good. Shifts was smooth. The engine sounded great. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm gonna send these back to him and let him look over everything, man, and see what everything, you know, see how everything looks. But of course, like I said, it's just a base map, so he gonna see how everything look, and then, you know, adjust the, hold on, I got the fucking But he gonna see how everything look, man, or just the fuel trims, and you know what I'm saying? It's not even, the car felt great, but it ain't even at, you know what I'm saying, all this power. First button right here, the start stop button, man. And then the second button under that is the reset button. You feel what I'm saying? So I stopped it. So when I started the log, and this button over here is the download. So whenever you stop the log, you're supposed to download it, man, and it goes straight to your files. You feel me? Right there, boom. So and then you just save it to your phone and email it to your tuner. And I got to get me a metal detector. Hey, if you know any good metal detector brands out there, man, drop some comments down below and let me know, because I need to get me a radar detector. I said metal detector. I meant a radar detector. If you know any good brands of radar detectors, not what you heard, but like personal experience of, you know what I'm saying, some good usage, like that spot these boys miles out, drop the comments down below and let me know the brand, man, because I need one ASAP. So, but look, man, y'all keep doing, man, you better not, what the is this car doing, bro? Is you drunk? Man, y'all go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, subscribe to the channel, man. You hadn't done so already, man. Like this video, comment it up, share this video, man. We're gonna keep going up for the rest of 2022, man. And 2023 is gonna be the year that we take this joint over, man. So just like that, we're gonna end the video, bruh. What I always say at the end of my video, you feel me?